So hello guys, now I want to show you something. This is a Mercedes-Benz relay that is used as a sonar. You can see the Mercedes-Benz logo. I am not paid by Mercedes, but I'm showing this because it's a wonderful stuff that they have contained in their cars. So it have a relay like that, as you can see, and is a generator, a vibrator. Let me turn on. I have put it at 12 volts. Let me adjust. So let's turn on. Let's clamp this here. As you can see, it vibrates. You can see how it vibrates, this stuff here. And I have two of them. Look how it sounds when this is put it back in case, and the sound gets from here. Let me connect this here and this here, and you can see the sound is different. The sound is very different. As you can see guys, this is made in Germany, so is old and original. Well guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and invite your friends to watch my videos. You will see a wonderful content from wonderful stuff. Have a nice day guys, stay safe.